All right, bright and early, getting ready to go. 4:37. I got all 6 of my rods ready to go here. Just waiting for a little bit of light. Tell you what, I think that summer doldrum, I keep hearing that summer doldrum term. That is BS. You will be tortured by the summer doldrum. I think people are just lazy and it's hot. It's pretty windy out here, so this is kind of a plan B, but I don't know if the GoPro can see this, but there's just like a wall of...
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Freaking huge blitz. I'm surrounded in birds. It's a bird tornado right now. What are these fish? Are they bluefish? Yeah, I think it's just a ton of bluefish out there. That's cool. We didn't get skunked. Got him. Heck yeah. There he is. Ah, it's just a porgy. Just a foul hook porgy. You will be cursed with foul hooked fish, and most of them will be porgies. There we go. This feels decent. But occasionally one will be a fluke. Nice. But I think it's foul hooked. Most likely a short. Yeah. Foul hook fluke, but we're onto him. Nice. Probably just splashed the camera like crazy. Yeah, splashed the camera like crazy. But we're onto him. That's good. 18 inches. Later, buddy. Need a little more weight here. There we go. There we go. This feels like a fluke. Not on my watch. Damn. There's a fluke. No, pork. Striped bass. Wow. That was cool. I think they're right under the kayak right now. Striper. That was cool. There we go. Got something decent here. Ooh, flounder. Ooh, he popped out of the net. Got him. Yeah, same thing, like right at 18, you can see, it's like right at 18. Later, bud. Here, you can go through the magic hole today. There you go. Watch out, it's the cops. Oh, damn, it's the cops. It's definitely slowing down, and it's 7:30. Right as I predicted, but the bottom jigging should be good. That was more of like a striper prediction, and I didn't even really fish for them. The bluefish are just so thick right now. They do this every year. Well, they kind of take over the area last minute. Ugh! They keep doing this thing where that huge school will just like roll through. They're moving in this huge pack right now. Interesting thing about this particular sponge, it's actually alive. Like, this sponge is alive. Man, I really regret opening up that sponge. It just smells so bad in the kayak all of a sudden. I don't know like what it is about that sponge. I've never like opened one up before, but it just stinks so bad all of a sudden. And like I didn't realize they were so stinky. Maybe it just had something weird in it. I don't know. It's pretty gross. It smells like mothballs. Can't seem to get a keeper.
That's because you've been cursed with the Summer Doldrum. And I shut off your chest cam.
Ooh, nice flatty. See how crazy they are? He's fouled though. Doesn't really count. But little fluke. Wonder why I keep fouling fish today. I think it's Rocker Bob, honestly.
That would be correct. And if you liked this episode, make sure to like and subscribe. And now you will be tortured by Rainbow Porgy Bagels.